Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Everlywell app is and how it's positioned. Everlywell is a health app that works with at-home lab test kits so users can order, collect, and receive results for a variety of certified lab tests without needing to visit a clinic. Through the app, users choose from approved tests such as food sensitivity, hormone panels, cholesterol, thyroid, vitamin D, STD screening, metabolic markers, or others, and have the collection kit delivered to their home. The app provides step-by-step instructions for proper sample collection, lets users register their kit, and shows tracking status so you know when your sample is processed. Once the lab receives your specimen, Everlywell delivers secure, easy-to-read results inside the app, often within days, along with interpretation support or insights depending on the test type. Results can be downloaded or shared with doctors, caregivers, or specialists for further guidance if needed. The app may include reminders and notifications to help complete each stage of the testing process, from sample collection to result delivery. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for people who want convenient access to a wide range of lab tests from home without scheduling in-person appointments. For users interested in tracking specific health markers or receiving lab results digitally, this could be an option. Specific features like insurance coverage, test availability by region, or exact turnaround time can vary and aren't fully outlined in official listings. This is not confirmed and should be considered a potential cause. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.